I made sounds to call earthworms, but none showed up. Friends said, try wet soil. So I'm off to a damp spot. Hope I see some cutie worms. This spot feels really damp. I'll stick this rod into the ground. Then I use a hammer to push it in. Gotta make it really deep like this. Looks good. I grab another stick, rub it to make noise. I rub a bit. A wormy head appears. I rub the stick harder to make more noise. The earthworm comes up even more. Let me pull it out for you to see. This earthworm is so big and long.